Hello everyone, I am from Starmax. Today I'd like to sharing with you guys a big news. That is the BAK 33140 15 ampere hour cylindrical lithium iron phosphate battery cell come again with our exclusive BAK price. USD $2.7 per piece for order over 1,000 pieces. If you are battery pack maker, installer, wholesaler, or energy storage business owner, this video will save you the real cost. Let me show you the details of it. Yes, this one in my hand, this is the BAK 32140 15 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell. Why it costs 32140? That is, the diameter of the cylindrical is 32 millimeter and the length is 114 millimeter. So it called 32140 15 ampere hour. The nominal voltage for this one is 3.2 voltage. The full charge is to 3.65 voltage. The real capacity is 50 ampere hour above. Each of the battery cell is tested the capacity and balance the voltage internal resistance. You can use it directly when you receive it. No need to balance all others. Those works will all done for you before the delivery. It is designed high cycle life, stable discharge, lower internal resistance, and extremely safety. It is perfectly for solar energy storage, off-grid system, home battery pack, electric vehicle, electric scooter, office, electric motorcycle, power backup supplier, such applications. BAK's strict production control make this battery cell one of the most stable cylindrical lithium iron phosphate battery product in the market. Yes, there have many guys buy from us and they have many reorder from them. And for a long time, we're out of stock and they have many customers to ask again, hey, Anya, do you have the BAK 15 ampere hour again? We told them that due to we didn't have got the good price, so at present we're not to provide it. Once they have the good time, then I will share with you guys immediately. So now the best price, that is our exclusive BAK provides. For order 1,000 pieces or more, the price is only $2.7 USD per piece. No hidden fee, no fake capacity, no cheap recycled battery cell. This is the real factory direct pricing for the serious business buyers. Why choose the BAK 32140 15 ampere hour from Starmax Energy? Firstly, this is the genuine BAK cell, no fake, no second grade cells. And the second is stable performance, long cycle life, safety for daily use. And we balance the voltage internal resistance capacity for you when you receive it. Just to use directly, no any balance or others. And the third, that is clear BAK pricing. We give you the real cost to help you in more project. And the fourth, that is the fast support. We help you with the configuration, packing, and delivery. Each of the battery cell is with the certificate of CE, certificate of the MSDS UN38 DigiReport. All we can provide for you. No worry about for the delivery document or others. We are not just a trader. We are your reliable partner for energy storage and battery supply. If you are building battery pack, planning energy storage project, or looking for a long-term lithium iron phosphate battery supplier, this BAK 32140 15 ampere hour is one of the best choice for 2026. Stable quality, clear pricing, strong brand, and the great cost efficiency. If you want the full datasheet, quotation, or the sample details, Our team will send you all the details and will support you bulk order right away. Let's see the details of the batches. Okay, those are our stock for the BAK 15 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell. And it is the same packing as previous, 40 pieces per carton. As you can see, 40 pieces per carton.